Hi everyone, this is Jonathan Meltz, Senior Attorney in the White Collar Crime and Federal Criminal Defense Division at Chapman Law Group. With experience in almost 100 trials and 30 years of practice, today I want to talk about genetic testing fraud. This is where Medicare is billed for a test or a screening that was not medically necessary or was not ordered by a beneficiary's primary physician. These tests or screens fall into the area of cancer, cardiovascular, DNA, dementia, pharmacogenetics, which is medical management, and Parkinson's. Government investigation of genetic testing fraud focuses on several areas, including submission of medically unnecessary claims, payment for signed orders where providers receive kickbacks or bribes to sign orders for genetic testing when they've never met the patients, situations where telemarketing companies are responsible for creating lists of beneficiaries, collecting test samples, securing signed genetic testing orders, and actually submitting the claims for reimbursement. Cases where inappropriate billing practices are shown, such as services are not rendered, or there's upcoding or charging for a higher level of service. Sham contracts, which hide illegal payments as legitimate marketing services for laboratories. And lastly, situations where there's falsified patient records or forged provider signatures on orders.
Quick break. If you're a healthcare provider or an entrepreneur involved in healthcare and have a legal problem, whether it's compliance, regulatory, DEA, criminal, or any number of legal problems, Chapman Law Group is here to help. Please visit us at chapmanlawgroup.com. Click the link below. Now back to the video.
When should you call an experienced white-collar and healthcare fraud defense attorney to help with accusations of genetic testing fraud? If you receive a subpoena for your billing records or your patient files, if you've received a request for an interview from the FBI, the DEA, the Department of Health and Human Services Office of the Inspector General, or if you received a letter from the U.S. Attorney's Office or the Department of Justice, how can Chapman Law Group help? We can develop a strategy to help avoid criminal charges and arrest, keep you out of prison, save your medical license and your medical practice, and keep you with your family. What's the Chapman Law Group difference? When you hire a senior attorney who specializes in healthcare, that's who represents you. You're not passed off to a less experienced associate attorney. Additionally, Chapman Law Group represents clients in all areas of healthcare, compliance, licensing, audits, and litigation. We offer a no-obligation, confidential consultation. Call us today, and we'll be ready to defend you.
Hey, thank you so much for listening. Please like and subscribe, and hit that little bell down on the bottom to receive notifications of our upcoming videos.